Alright guys, we're doing some research. Actually, it's called research? What's it called? We're doing some recon, that's it. We're doing some recon. We're going back to the same area that we were going yesterday, just so we can have a proper look at how things were. We're not gonna, I don't think I'll take out the cart anytime soon. I've got to do some things, but we're just heading out and we'll see. I gotta take it easy on those. I stacked it last time. We're just gonna see how it actually looks and how deep we can actually go. So as you can see, we've got some dirt and grime on the road. I think that's where we slipped, right? I'm not sure. I don't remember. Yeah. As you can see, there's the water, or the creek, whatever you want to call it, down there. Weird place to hang out with a friend, but okay, you do you. So we went through here, and this is what we saw yesterday. This is where we saw the rabbits. Certain paths that we can get out from, but relatively looks pretty normal. So we can actually go all the way down here. Well, that's gonna be fun. All the way through here, up onto, I don't know where this area is. It joins onto this track. Oh. I'm getting ideas, guys. So we're behind the factory roads right now. And it takes us out to the main road. Interesting. All right. I think this is a nice straight. I'll obviously max out on it. Make sure no one jumps out. Interesting. All right, so we can just go through this whole area. Where it goes? Ha ha ha! Guys, this is gonna be wicked. All right, so slippery in here, obviously, from all the dirt having nowhere to go. All right, we're on the other side of the main. All right, cool. If that doesn't tell you what you guys need to know, then I'm not sure what does. So I think we found our next adventure. And there's bugs in this area, so I gotta squint my eyes smaller than usual and keep my mouth shut. All right, next to the freeway. Not too bad. So I think that's gonna be our next track. Yep. All right, that's it. So let's have a look at it on the way back, see how confident we are. I'm not gonna talk in this area because of bugs. And I'm gonna squint my eyes, so. All right. Ah, damn it, still here. But it is relatively close to the water, so that's something to bear in mind. Come through here, a little bit slippery. You can see the build up. Oh. Yeah, even on the bike, I can feel it a little bit squirmy on the back tire. All right, so come through here, miss the grass cutter. So hopefully that gives you guys an idea of the next adventure, maybe. All right, cool. All right, leave you guys to it. Maybe we should venture out to the other side one day. And this is where we join off. All right, that's it, guys.